Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: system volume, in-game volume, and correct output device. Open sound settings and pick the device you expect, headphones or speakers, then raise levels above 0. Once done, mute toggles and overlays can block audio. Close them. Restart the game immediately to force the engine to require audio devices. This early step resolves many issues because games often keep a stale audio handle. Reinitializing clears that lock and lets the OS reassign sound properly. Next, handle drivers and device settings because faulty or mismatched drivers are a common culprit. Update your audio driver from Device Manager or the manufacturer. If the problem started after an update, roll back. Make sure the default playback and default communication devices are correct, and disable exclusive mode if the game takes full control and mutes other apps. Test audio in another app and try a different USB port or jack to determine whether the issue is hardware versus software before deeper troubleshooting. Finally, repair or verify the game files via the launcher. Corrupted audio assets or middleware like Fmod can break sound. Reset the game's audio settings to defaults, then reapply your configuration so nothing is misset. If the problem persists, reinstall the game's audio runtime or library. Make sure the OS itself produces sound. Use the system sound recorder or a browser to play audio, because if the OS is silent, the game cannot fix that. If silent, check services and reinstall drivers as last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.